Hey guys, it's Haley Pomeroy here, and I want to personally welcome you to the 10-Day Cleanse Challenge. On the first day, I like to really think about the why. Why did you decide to jump in and do the challenge with me? Why are you maybe sitting on the sidelines a little bit and watching to see how everybody else does? I also like to talk a lot about why I created this 10-day program. So when I look at how I can make an impact with my clients and my virtual clients, you guys, I like to look at three things. I like to look at removing, right? Anything that could possibly be slowing the metabolism. So during the 10-day cleanse, we get rid of the things that aren't helping you be healthy. Then we like to look at repair. So we like to focus on repairing the mechanisms of detox. Remember, when you don't detox, your body naturally creates fat cells to store fat-soluble toxins, and I don't want you doing that. And then the last part of this is to restore. What I want to do is I want to restore a homeostasis to the body. So many cleanses strip the body, causing the body to be in a starvation state so that you finally let go. I actually want to nourish the body. So on these 10 days, we're going to be infusing the body with tons of food, incredible shakes, micronutrients that actually help to restore the body's natural process of taking in food, burning it for fuel, using excess stored fat, and using that for fuel as well. You're going to get this incredible 10-day booklet. Today, I want you to make sure that you're following day 1. You're doing 2 shakes, 1 meal, and 2 snacks. You're doing a lot of the high glycemic fruits and vegetables, the complex carbs. Tonight, I'm making chili for dinner. So welcome to your 10-day cleanse, and make sure you go to my website, haleypomeroy.com. I have tons of videos about the science of this program, tips on how to help you detox, and make sure that you're checking in regularly because there's all kinds of support for you there.